Thank you for watching another episode of Stallona's Reviews. Today we are reviewing the Marble Run Link Pack by ROKR, ROKR. It joins the Marble Run Marble Spaceport by ROKR to the Marble Night City Marble Run, also by, of course, ROKR. And here they are together. It also adds this nice little ground effects they add here. So the kit is essentially this middle guy here and a couple of these little bridges to get the marbles from one to the other. It really went together very well. There were no breakages. They give you plenty of excess parts on things that were thinner that they thought might break, but I didn't have any problems with that. There are a couple things, about the build. I'd say my biggest complaint of the kit is it did not include wax. There's parts that you wax to make sure they can interact smoothly, and it didn't actually come with any. I had some left over from the other Marble Run pack, and so I was okay. But I really think it should have come with one, because if you decide to do this kit way down the road, you may not have had access to the wax. It's just probably candle wax, not too big a deal, but it's still nice for them to include things when ROKR really does a great job of including at least something to get you through building the kit. They give you sandpaper, and they give you little screwdrivers, things like that. The build or the operation is pretty good. I'll just point out some areas that I have some concerns about or just don't work quite as well as it should. The first one, it might be hard to tell here, but this little gear here looks like it's really kind of stressed out and being pulled that direction by the tension there. So I'm a little concerned about how long that's going to hold up overall, but so far so good. When I put it all together, this little portion here didn't want to rock the way it was supposed to. It was actually stuck. I filed it down, and ever since I did, it doesn't really give a 50-50 sometimes. Sometimes it gives more of a 5-to-1 or 4-to-1. You can see in my other videos that I did for when I built the Marble Spaceport, I had to file the top of these little guys to flap correctly, and I over-filed the one here sometimes, so sometimes it'll drop by, but that's my fault, not ROKR's, of course. Kind of give you an aerial view here. This works pretty well, but a lot of times somehow the ball was able to make it past this hole, so you won't necessarily see a ball drop and go down there. I'll try to keep the video going long enough to maybe witness that. Like that just went through, and one of those should have dropped down there but didn't. What else was a problem with the build? It does occasionally freeze up in one of two places. Either down here, you can get a freeze, and you just kind of have to poke the ball into the machine to keep it going. Or on the opposite side, down here, you can get it'll freeze sometimes, but it's more likely to freeze over here on that area than the other one. The link pack can be purchased on the Robotime website or ROKR's website, robotime.com, to join those two, and you can actually buy it where it's just essentially one big purchase where you buy both of the main marble runs and then a link pack with it. I think that'll run you about $130. ROKR has usually during holidays they'll have some sales, maybe 15% off, something like that. That would probably be a good opportunity to buy the kits if you would like, want to build something like this. I do have review videos of both of the other ones. This, the Marble Spaceport is a great one to start out with. The Marble Night City, I think, was one of their earlier builds, and it definitely had some issues with it to get it up and running well and sort through the problems. I think that's mostly about it. I would like to show here where the ball goes down the spiral. We'll see if we can catch that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch some other videos, like and subscribe as always. And I hope you enjoyed watching this little marble run go. I ordered some glow-in-the-dark balls, small balls there that'll hopefully fit, and we'll see how it goes. I'm also planning to get some UV paint and maybe paint some of the areas, kind of zhuzh it up a little bit and have a black light blasting at it to make the balls glow brighter, and of course hopefully their painted areas will kind of really make it stand out. Put some more space in the spaceport kind of look effect to it. Hope it turns out well. Of course do a video to let you see how it goes.